Second example is the demand of the particular spare parts in a factory was found to vary from day to day in a sample study. Full information was obtained. Number of days we have to given, Monday to Saturday, and number of parts 1124 Monday, Tuesday में 1125, Wednesday 1110, and all values we have. Test the hypothesis that the number of parts demanded does depend on the day of the week, and this value we have to given. Now we assume here null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis, let us assume that number of parts demanded are uniformly distributed, and alternative hypothesis is number of parts demanded are not uniformly distributed. Now number of parts, this is OI, observation frequency, we have here, and to calculate chi-square we need expected frequency. How we can find expected frequency? Find the mean value of this OI. Find mean of observation frequency, that is expected frequency. Expected number of parts on which day of week? This is 1120. Now this EI is 1120. Now we can find very easily OI minus EI का whole square को EI. OI is 1120, EI is 1124, EI is 1120. This minus this का whole square upon EI, and similarly we can find 1125 minus 1120 का whole square upon 1120. This sigma OI minus EI का whole square upon EI is 0.180346. Now chi-square table value is n minus 1. N minus 1, we can see this value at 5%. This is 11.07. This value we have to given in this question. Otherwise we can see this value in chi-square table. Now this value is 11.07. Here we can see that the chi-square calculate value is less than chi-square table H naught accepted. H naught accepted means H naught, what we have here, H naught, that is number of parts demanded are uniformly distributed. Now here is the third example, base of goodness of fit. This is second type example. When the first proof of 392 pages of a book of 1200 pages were read, the distribution of printing mistakes were found to be as follows. In this numerical, we have number of mistakes in our pages and number of pages, number of mistakes. Number of pages 275, there is no mistake. In 72 page, there is one mistake. In 30 pages, there are two mistakes, and these values we have. What we have to done? Fit a Poisson distribution to the above data and test the goodness of fit. Now, what is H naught hypothesis? H naught hypothesis, always we say that the statement is true. What is our statement say? Our statement say Poisson distribution is a good fit to the data. Now, to find the expected frequency, we need Poisson distribution. And to find Poisson distribution, we need the value of mean. And how we can calculate it mean? This value is X, this is F, number of mistakes and number of pages. That's why easily we can find mean value sigma Fx upon sigma F. sigma f x upon sigma f, this value 0 into 275, 1 into 72, and find the sigma. This value is 189 and sigma f is 392. Adding these values, this is 392. This will 0.4821. Now the frequency of x mistakes per page is given by the Poisson distribution. This is n into px. Px is Poisson distribution. This is e की power minus m, m की power x upon factorial x. What is x? X is here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is 392? 392 is capital N. And when we substitute, what is m? M is here 0.4821. And when we substitute here n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we can find expected frequencies. And here you can see these values by the help of in this table. This is mistakes per page. These values, we have 6 pages, and OI is observation frequency. These values we have to given. Already I have told you expected frequency. You are here. These are the expected frequencies, and 242.1, 116.7, these values we have. And now find OI minus EI ka whole square, because to calculate chi-square we need the value of OI minus EI ka whole square upon EI. So OI minus EI ka whole square upon EI, and these values is less than 10. That's why we can take the grouping 7, 5, 2 and 1. This is 15. And similarly here this value is 0. We can find here x equal to 6. This value is 0.0042 approximately to 0. Now calculate OI minus EI ka whole square upon EI. The sigma value is 0.415, and here we can see this is sigma EI, this is sigma OI. These values are equal. Apply chi-square, calculate value. This is OI minus EI ka whole square upon EI. This is 0.415. Now what is the degree of freedom when we calculate chi-square table value? Then the value is n minus 1. N minus 1, the degree of freedom of Poisson distribution is n minus 2. But here we do the grouping 7, 5, 2, 1, and we lost one value. So that's why here we taking the value of n is 7 and n minus 2, and this will one grouping we are losing here. That's why we take here 7 minus 3 minus 2. This is 2. We can see this value in chi-square table. And here I am writing 1 degree of freedom is lost because of linear construct, and this value sigma OI equal to sigma EI. 1 degree of loss because the parameters m has been estimated from the given data and then used for computing the expected frequency. 3 degree of freedom are lost because of grouping. The last 4 expected cell frequency which were less than 5. Now the conclusion of this test is T tabulated value is 5.991. Since chi-square calculate is less than chi-square table, null hypothesis H0 accepted at 5% level of significance. Hence we conclude that Poisson distribution is good fit to the given data.